Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a bunch of stuff to open today. A couple sneaker boxes up over here, and also this mystery box that somebody sent, and I have no idea what it is. This is like the second time in the last few weeks that I've gotten like random mystery boxes that I did not purchase anywhere. It's definitely not sneakers from what I can tell. I mean, the box is kind of small, so we gotta see it. Anyway, let's start off with a couple sneakers though. This is probably the smallest sneaker box that I've actually got from Nike. This is definitely gonna be the smallest like unboxing I've ever done, man. Because right here we have a Jordan box, but look at the size of this thing, dude. Literally one of the smallest boxes I've ever had on the channel. But this one is in a toddler sizing. And I'll tell you guys why I got a toddler sizing. It's not the reason why you guys think. Okay, this is pretty cute. As you guys can see, we have a pair of the women's Jordan 1 high tie-dyes, but this one is in toddler sizing, so it's literally like smaller than the size of my hand, if you guys can see that. As you guys can see over here, this is the Jordan 1 high tie-dye. It's called a tie-dye for obvious reasons. The entire upper is tie-dyed in like different shades of blue, but still has that Jordan 1 feel for sure. But the reason why I copped this one is because I was trying to cop like all of the sizes that I could on this Jordan 1 high. Fortunately, I didn't hit like the women's sizing, which would be the standard sizing, and I also didn't hit the grade school sizing, which would have been good money. Instead, I entered for this toddler one and I ended up getting a toddler. So yeah, hopefully down the line though I can keep this one on ice, and yeah, if we do have untied kids, they can be rocking this Jordan 1 high tie-dye. Alright, next sneaker is actually one that isn't standard sizing though. This should be a personal cop that I got from Goat. So this right here is a Nike Dunk Low box. As you guys can see, it is an off-white. This right here is a pair of the off-white Dunks in the University Gold colorway, man. I actually picked this one up for like 400 bucks, which I was waiting for like a really good price for these things. So 400, I feel like for a very gently worn pair, it's a pretty good price. When I'm saying it's clean, you guys can see it is very, very clean. There's no insoles in here. They are in the box though. But you guys can see like there's no like creasing on the toe box at all. Like barely anything in there. I guess there's some creasing right here, which is that's not too bad, but the bottom's immaculate, guys. Not even a speck of dirt, it looks like. Well, whatever this thing is, but I can take that off. But for the most part, you guys get the drift. It definitely is one of the cleanest used shoes you will ever see. I mean, I saved a lot of money for it. I think these are going for like 500 bucks brand new. I saved like 100 something bucks by getting it for like a little bit less than 400. So yeah, got really lucky on that. For me, I think that these are a good investment right now because for one, it's an off-white, right? Off-whites definitely always go up in value. Number two, it's a dunk, where the dunk market is obviously exploding right now. So I expect these things to keep going up in price to like over $1,000 probably like a year from now. Like, think about it, guys. It's like a perfect storm of things, and I'm just wondering so far why more people aren't copying like the off-white Dunks, because this is probably a very good hold down the line, especially in the green colorway. But I already had that one, so I need to cop this one. Anyway, that is the personal cop for today, and now we can get into the mystery box. So again, this box just kind of showed up at my door, kind of similar to that sneaker mystery box that we got I think 2 weeks ago, that 6,000 one. It just showed up, you know. I didn't buy anything, I didn't purchase it, so I have no idea what's in here. It does feel a little bit heavy though, and obviously it's too thin for it to be like a sneaker mystery box, so I'm not sure what's in here. I shake it around a little bit and there's like moving parts in here too, which is strange. Okay, so it does look like there is a letter in this one. I actually know this company. This is cool. It says, "Dear Bryson, if you're receiving this, is because you are a pillar in your community and we are fans of what you do. A little care package to help you keep fresh with some summer essentials. This is the first week of summer 2020 and we wanted to be here for the assist. Maybe you ran out of hand sanitizer, your mask is beat up, or perhaps you just like cool swag. We curated these boxes for you and hope you enjoy what we came up with while quarantining. This summer we want you to be safe, stay healthy, and continue to let the Suplex app, I'll talk about them in a little bit, do all the heavy lifting for your buying and selling needs. We have a ton of content and great promotions planned for the coming months, so make sure you have the app downloaded. Thank you for being you, Suplex." So this is pretty cool. Suplex is actually an app that I'm familiar with. That's why it's an app that compares prices like across like all buying and selling platforms, so like Goat, StockX, eBay, and it shows prices like side by side, so you guys know where to get the best value and stuff. So that's pretty cool to see, man. I've actually had Suplex downloaded for I think like 2 years now. Whenever they launched, I've had it a long time. And it looks like they sent over a mystery care package thing though. This is really cool. You guys can check that out. It says Suplex. Summer essentials contents in this box include, and we'll find out what they do include. So very nice branding for sure on this. I didn't realize like Suplex actually had things to like sell or give away, I guess. I thought it was just a buying and selling app. So this is really awesome. And now that I'm actually looking at what's in here, this is a very Interesting box, guys. This is definitely a mystery box. And right on my alley because there's a lot of random stuff in here. So we'll go through all of it. But one of the things that I saw right away is Supreme Oreos, guys. This dropped a couple months ago and I was never big on this, obviously. I don't want to get Supreme Oreos. But if it comes in a free mystery box, that's kind of dope. I mean, check it out up close. Supreme Oreos. Yeah, I don't know what the resale value is on this, but because it was free and because it was a gift, I am definitely just gonna be eating this one. So that's kind of cool right there. We also have a suplexed themed yo-yo, I guess. You guys can check that out. Yo-yo skills, take one. What the? Also, we got Rejuvenator sneaker wipes in here, so that's a cool little freebie as well. Okay, and we got a couple suplex lighters, I guess, in here. Makes sense for like 4th of July and stuff, I guess. You guys can check it out up close. Buy, resell, repeat. Very cool over here. They sent KN95 protective masks. We're still in quarantine right now, so it's definitely important to have these around, guys. Masks, any kind of mask. It doesn't need to be these like super crazy masks, but if you guys have something, I highly implore you to wear a mask. That's just my suggestion. You guys don't need to take it, obviously. I know people are very sensitive about the mask issue, but cool to see Suplex, you know, taken care, so that's pretty dope. Got this right here, hand sanitizer. We also have a can of lemonade. This is seriously one of the weirdest like mystery boxes I've ever opened, but a can of lemonade. And we also got free, what the heck is this, dude? Wait. Is this real? They sent money, I guess. I'll show you guys up close under the camera over here. It's a United States of America quarter, and you guys can see that it has like a bat on the back. Is this like a meme quarter? No way we have a bat on the back in 2020. National Park in America, Samoa. Dude, that is really interesting timing. Conspiracy theory, kind of confusing. American quarter with a bat on it, made in 2020. I don't know, that's an interesting thing. It literally says on here, a commemorative 2020 bat quarter. I was talking all that stuff, and I should have been reading these contents. It's funny, it says, commemorative 2020 bat quarter. Yep, we didn't think it was real either. Suplex app got the jokes, dude. I gotta read all of these now, it's funny. And then also the last thing over here, we have an American flag. This is pretty dope. Dang, this is actually a really big flag too. Merca, baby, check that out. Definitely cool to see, and I mean, again, this is kind of like a 4th of July themed kind of box, it feels like. 4th of July, for the guys that don't live in America, it's a celebration of our country's independence from 1776, so quick history lesson for you right there. Really appreciate Suplex app sending us over, and this was really fun to open, man. Like, obviously we would mainly do like the sneaker mystery boxes, but getting like a care package like this with all of this like cool random stuff is just really nice, you know? Like, it's cool to see like the community kind of like supporting each other during this time, and I don't know, this is just a really fun thing to do. And Suplex app, again, I didn't realize like they do stuff like this, but this is cool to have. So shout out to Suplex app. If you guys don't have it, check it out, suplex.com. And they also obviously have an app too. Again, it's good for sneakers like buying and selling, so I would highly recommend you guys download that. This isn't a sponsored video, so I don't know how to put a link in the description below, but yeah, check it out. Search for Suplex on your app store or Google Play Store, or whatever it's called. If you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below. Don't forget to like this video if you guys enjoy this kind of content, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Untied Hawaii, take 24, yo-yo trick. Yeah, we're done. Shoots.